Tired of wiping the same spot over and over again, only to be left with streaks and smudges? In today's video, we're reviewing 5 of the best surface cleaners available on Amazon that are trusted for their streak-free performance, safe ingredients, and multi-surface versatility. Let's start with a top-rated favorite for homes with kids or pets, PURACY Multi-Surface Cleaner Concentrate, Lemongrass Scent. This plant-based cleaner is a go-to for families looking for a non-toxic yet effective solution. It's formulated with naturally derived ingredients, free from sulfates, parabens, and harsh chemicals. One 16-ounce concentrate bottle makes over a gallon of cleaner, giving you long-lasting value. PURACY's formula cuts through grime on countertops, hardwood floors, glass, electronics, and even toys, without leaving behind streaks or sticky residue. Reviewers praise it for its fresh lemongrass scent and ability to clean effectively without triggering allergies. If you're committed to keeping your home eco-friendly while maintaining a spotless look, this one's hard to beat. Next, we have the Zepp Home Pro Streak-Free Multi-Surface Cleaner, a more budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice performance. Priced under $10, it's an excellent pick for daily household use. The fast-drying formula works well on a range of surfaces like appliances, windows, tiles, and sealed stone. It's designed to lift dirt, grease, and fingerprints while evaporating quickly, leaving 0 streaks. One of its strongest selling points is how effectively it handles high-touch areas like kitchen counters and bathroom vanities without dulling finishes or leaving a film. Zepp's industrial background shows in the formulation. It's tough on grime, but still safe for frequent residential use. For car enthusiasts and detailers, KOCH-CHEMIE'S All-Round Surface Cleaner is a standout. Originally developed for professional automotive detailing, this cleaner has gained popularity among homeowners for its precision cleaning ability. It's excellent for use on touchscreen, dashboards, plastic trims, and glossy surfaces that show every little streak or smudge. The 500 milliliter bottle goes a long way and leaves behind a showroom finish with minimal effort. It's also pH neutral, so it won't damage sensitive surfaces. People also use it for home appliances, light switches, and glass tables, thanks to its streak-free and anti-static results. If you're looking for a high-end performance-grade cleaner for delicate surfaces, KOCH-CHEMIE delivers. Moving on to floors, QuickShine Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner is a strong performer for those seeking a no-rinse, streak-free solution. This 64-ounce ready-to-use cleaner is designed for use on a wide range of flooring types: hardwood, vinyl, laminate, and tile. It's ammonia-free and safe to use around children and pets. What makes QuickShine unique is how well it cleans without leaving residue or requiring a second pass. It's also compatible with robotic mops, making it a convenient option for tech-savvy homes. With a pleasant scent and excellent cleaning power, this floor cleaner is especially useful for busy households that need clean floors without fuss. Finally, for those who need a heavy-duty, all-purpose option, there's the Crown Spray Power Multi-Surface Cleaner. This gallon-sized powerhouse is made for serious cleaning jobs: greasy stovetops, grimy bathroom tiles, and even outdoor furniture. It's a spray-on, wipe-off formula that's strong enough to dissolve oils and stains, but still safe for a variety of household surfaces. Despite its industrial strength, it doesn't leave behind streaks or unpleasant chemical smells. It's often used in commercial spaces and is trusted for fast, effective cleaning without multiple passes. If you're looking for one product that can handle just about anything, Crown Spray Power is a great choice. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to stay updated on more smart cleaning solutions and product reviews for a healthier, more efficient home.